Hi everyone, in this video I will cover the CyclicCPSP model discussion. It's not something new except for the 3D material definitions and let me just rename it, in which we need to define those parameters of uh, uh, elastic shear modulus constant, and we discussed these in the previous video. So those are the same constants that are used here. Um, and kappa value, then h value, all these values are given here. I mentioned them. M critical stress ratio for the parameters, which in the previous videos for MFC and MDC, which is an additional parameter here, and DRE1, DRE2. So uh, in this model, MFC and MDC, these were related to 2D, and uh, in this new model, it is converted to 3D, and you can find out the details here. A triaxial compression stress and torsional shear stress, while here it is replaced with the critical state stress ratio here. So those two are removed from here, and we have RDR, reference shear strain length, right? And this RDR is, I think, missing in this model, which is basically the problem is this model that we are using here. It is a plane strain model, while this cyclic CP model is a plane stress model. We have that ratio of alpha, which we mentioned, VDIR mentioned as well, critical state constant and critical state constant. We have also defined these two parameters here, and wide ratio at PC is equal to 0. Then we have material constant for field mobilized stress ratio and NG material and all those material. If we want to uh, use these, then we can use it here. So these are the parameters that are required for soil and 3D parameters, and uh, we can study about this liquefaction model in this article, right? If you want to further study about it, request for the research article, and access will be granted to you in this model. So it's for the plane strain three-dimension model with perspectives as compared to the previous model. So it has no difference with the previous model. Anyways, I'm not going into further details because my aim is to only introduce you to the models that are available in the definition sets here. The next model for the physical properties that I need to consider here is damage to be model. So it's very interesting model, right? And we are going to explore this in our analysis here. And based on this, we will try to uh, discuss this in the materials assignment as well. Thank you so much for watching.